you wouldn't think that you would get to a point to like, it all seems crazy to think about it that way. But then that's where it comes to educating yourself, right? And surrounding yourself with good people, because we've been able to identify when those happen. So before sometimes, and I think that's why businesses fail, right? They just scale, but they never have the understanding or being able to identify when the scaling needs to stop and reset. And so that's the benefit of the education you've paid for, being surrounded by high talent, high producing people, because you're able to identify that. You're able to identify, just like your house, right? You're able to identify, hey, we've been going out to eat. We've been all this shit, right? Kids, we've been, running in and out of the house. And then one moment you walk in the house and you're kind of like, okay, this house is a shit show. We got clothes over here. We got laundry stacked up here.
But why does that shit resonate so hard?
Right? You're able to look at your house and be like, all right, look, we ain't going nowhere for 2-3 days. We need to make sure this house get picked up. Right? So it's similar to that. Like,
that was a great.
If you're a kid, example. You don't realize that you're just going to keep running. You're going to keep running. As a business owner, you're making money. You're going to just keep going. You're just going to keep going. You're not going to recognize the drawers sitting over there, the dishes piling up in the sink. You know what I mean? But when you're around other business owners who have exploded their businesses, you're going to be able to walk into your business and be like, oh, this shit's a clusterfuck. Hey, we got to throttle this shit. Hey, push pause. You can keep going. I got to redesign what you're doing. You know what I mean? Get this house in order, and then we'll be ready to go out again.